Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to our weekly video. So, today we have only three manufacturers to be we can be showing it on the today on the channel, on the video. We're gonna have Greenlight, Johnny Lightning, and Outer World. That's it, because I am starting to run out of cars to film, which, like, because since I was sick, mainly sick for almost a month, I wasn't able to. I don't know how was January, like 2026 January, is gonna be for me, as in buying models. But I'll still keep filming until I have nothing to film, or hopefully I'll be restocked by the time I run out of cars to film. Hopefully, because I was stacked up very well up till end of the year, and yeah, now I'm kind of feeling that it's getting empty. So, and also in today's video, I'll be having only two new cars. That will be out of these six cars. Will be two of the cars from the six cars will be brand new to me, and everything else is basically just like a recolor or something like that. So let's start. Enough of me babbling. So for Greenlight, we have this vintage ad cars. I love the vintage ad cars line. Like my most favorite line for Greenlight is this 1955 Chevrolet sedan delivery. I already have this one in my collection, but with a different design. It's not like this one. Here's the other vehicles from this line. So I have that one. I still haven't gotten the Scout, but I've seen it in the store. I already have the Datsun, I have the 442, I have the Thunderbird. I don't know if I'm gonna get the CJ, but most of this line is amazing. So that will be that one. Also, if you're wondering, of the release date of this one is 2024. Then another one from Greenlight is the Shell Special Edition. This is also a 1950 Chevrolet sedan delivery. It does look kind of higher though, or bigger wheels, or it's just because of the white walls that it just looks like that. It could be slightly higher, but I think it's completely the same casting. So yeah, and this one is from 2023. Here's the other cars you can find in this set. I don't think I have any of the other ones or any of that. So that's two of the two of the green lights. Next up, Johnny Lightnings. So I have the Zingers. So I have the other color variation of this one in my collection already. So this will be my second one. And this is the 1981 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side. Comes in orange metallic with lime flames. Let's read the facts. Free facts. The third gen Chevy truck is the longest produced version of the CK model line, spanning from 1933 till 1991. After 1987, the third gen was called the Chevrolet GMC RV line and was run alongside the new fourth gen. These included the new four-door crew cab pickups and full-size SUV models. I don't think I'm going to remember any of that. Wasn't that really much. I believe these are the other vehicles that are in this set. From these, I have nothing of these. I would love to get both of the Zingers. Love to get, well, maybe both of the Hot Rods. Maybe, definitely would love to get the Vans and the Woodies. The Beetle is the only one that, since it's like a barn find, I would like to get maybe this yellow one. Not this one. This one's too shiny. But yeah, I think this is where. So this is a release from 2021. So that would be R1. And the other Johnny Lightning is also a Zinger. This is one that I've been wanting for the longest time. I had this thing ordered like twice through other people, and they never came. Like, I got my money, of course, back, but they never came. So this is the 1962 Chevy Impala Coupe. So finally got it. So I'm super happy about this one. This one comes in White Lightning Pearl and Zinger Teal. Let's read some facts. This is the first release of our new 1962 Chevy Impala Zinger. Chevrolet, celebrating its 50th anniversary in 1962, built a total of 704,900 units of the 1962 Impala. That is a lot. But yeah, you can see them everywhere basically at this point. Okay, that is that. And then for the Outer Worlds, from the Big Country Collectibles, it's like their I don't know what's it called. So it's a lineup of like cars that I don't know. I don't know how to explain this. But I've seen them. So from this entire lineup, right now I have the 4.6s, which is none of these. Or none of these. But I've seen this one. Well, this one. Super old Suburban. But it's long gone. I wasn't lucky enough to get it. But yeah, so this is the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat. So when we're talking about new models, this is new to me. This is like Zinger version at least. Not the body. I have that body style. I think I do. I'm actually not sure. But this is new to me. I don't have any other Lariats from, at least not this one, from Auto World. So I'm always happy to add more Auto Worlds to my collection. And here's the other vehicles that are in this set. I'm hoping that at some point this year, I'm gonna get the Wrangler. I don't know, so some more of these. I've seen in the store like 3 other cars, trucks or whatever, off-roaders, but I'll just get around to them. So, and then we have this one, Auto World. This is the 1965 Ford GT40. I have a variation of this one, but this one's like a different numbers and stuff. I think it has like different rims also. This comes in Golf, corporate blue and orange. Premium fact: the 1960s Gulf Oil became a major sponsor for the Ford GT40 program, which included the iconic blue and orange livery. The want to say Ford twice. The Ford GT40 Mark II was capable of top speeds just cresting the 200 miles per hour threshold. Yeah, this is a pretty iconic car. So I also forgot to call out the years. So this one is from 2021. And the Lariat from Auto World is from 2024. And when it comes to this one's also from 2024. So that is our cars for today's video. Let me pick the cars I'm most excited about, and I'll use them for the thumbnail. Will be these two right here. Yeah, there we go. So everything to the side. Let's start cracking open some stuff. So let's start with the Greenlights. 55 Chevy sedan. So I love my old cars. Okay, the front wheels are very, very loose, but that's good. This means it will be a nice roller. There's your details for the bottom. The white walls look perfectly fine. We have this nice black line going around the bottom. The tail lights are a separate piece. They're not lensed, but they are a separate painted piece. They have a separate window in the back, which looks kind of odd. But yeah, no opening features on this one. I'm perfectly fine with that. Aero shell. The front headlights are lensed. Yes, they are. So yeah, I like this one. This rolls very well. So there we go. That is our one. Now for the other one, 55 delivery. So this one I like the most out of these both. I prefer my cars clean. This one's window is actually better than the other one. The other one has it's like slanted or something. It's like out of place or whatever. I don't know why. They are the same car though. So I don't know what happened there. But this looks perfectly fine. So I'm very happy about it. This one's headlights are separate. It's a separate piece, but it's a plastic piece. So it's not fully lensed. But it's somewhere there. So yeah, I dig it. It is super awesome. Rolls also very well. There we go. 2 of those. Next up, let's actually do the Auto Worlds next. So the Lariat. So a very heavy casting. It's metal on metal. Rubber tires, as are those. Comes with mirrors. Is Auto World doing mirrors now? I've been starting to notice this even more and more for some cars. Maybe it's for some cars, because they do look very good. The front looks very nice. So for all the details like lights and stuff, most of the time are painted, but they look so good that it doesn't bother me at all. The back looks like it could open, but will it open? It does open. It was just very holding on in there very well. Okay, never gonna open that one anymore. That is really tight. I like the beds very like it's all matte. So we should have an opening hood. Oh, it's also very tightly closed. There's your engine details. Looking very nice. Shuts perfectly well. I don't know what's my camera doing, like was not focusing, but yeah. We also have a tow hitch for the back. Looks weird. It's like split or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's like split. It says 4 6s on the license plate. So yeah, I really do like. Oh, I'm like fan of Auto World. Whoa, this thing rolls. This thing really rolls. So yeah, super happy about that. At first, I wasn't liking the like when they put some sponsors. I have no idea who even they are on the cars. So it's kind of hit or miss in that case for me. Most of the time it's a miss, but for Outer World I can give it a pass. So next up, the Ford GT40. So here we go. Like I said, this is the only one a model I know that has lensed headlights for Auto World. At least for front, the backs are painted. Comes on metal, rubber tires. It is a very tiny car. Like casting hasn't. That is very well. For me, it's very well detailed. It is stupid how small it is. But that's what it is. It is true 164, and look how tiny it is. It's just, it is. Look at this thing. Oh my god, like, it is. You gotta put this thing in the back and just transport it that way. Like, it is. It's just. I don't know what's. I'm actually in tears. It's that funny. It's that small. Wow. Well, the American vehicles, as much as I know now, are very big. Like the off-roaders, at least, are like trucks and stuff. They're like massive, humongous, like transportation vehicles. And comparing that, it's just extremely tiny. But okay, enough of that. Had my laugh. Whew, okay, Zinger, yeah, the Silverado. So, it comes with this card. well, very toony with all these boxes falling out of the back. I do like these. You can also see what other stuff came in this set. So there you go. I do keep these cards. I do like them. And this one's very heavy also because it's metal on metal. Besides these chrome bits, those are plastic. The wheels are plastic. The engine is metal. The body's metal, of course. This front grille looks kind of weird to me. It is what it is. I think, yes, the back is openable. Closes. This thing is awesome looking. Gives me like Fast and Furious, like super vibes, where it was orange with the green design on it. Well, this one has green flames on it, but it's not off. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, what does it say on the back even there? Rudy's Green Flame. Okay. So let's have a roll test. Oh yeah, smooth as butter. Nice. There's very, very cool. Can have some stuff. I don't know. And lastly, the Impala. Comes with this very awesome hoof in it. There's all the other cards you can find. I think I have this one. El Camino. Not fully sure, but I think I have it in my collection already. So one of the darts I also have. Not sure if they're from the same set, but maybe. So finally getting my hands on this model. Metal on metal, so it's pretty heavy. The engine's metal. The hood, the top is plastic. The wheels are also plastic, so this means it's going to be a very good roller. There's your front look. I love the teal. Like, teal is my favorite color of all time, so yeah, this thing looks awesome. Very, very awesome. Also, just realized I forgot to... Oh, wait, no, I didn't. It's fine. And yeah, this thing rolls like really, really well. So yeah, that is our lineup. I'm actually very happy with this lineup, although only like 2 cars are new to my collection. But when I collect the stuff that I like especially with like classic American vehicles, except this one's modern, but still, like, I collect American cars, and I don't even live anywhere near USA. Like, basically on the other side of the world. But if ever I'll get the chance to go USA, I'm gonna clean out your stores. I just will. Probably all the stuff that, like, for you it's the peg warmers. I have seen so many people on the stores just going through stuff, and it's just I see a ton of stuff that you have as peg warmers. For me, those would be just grabbing everything. I'm not talking about Hot Wheels. I'm like talking about Greenlights, Auto Worlds, and John Lighting, some other stuff that you have. M2s also that you have in your stores, just in your basic grocery stores. In my country, that's not a thing. In basic grocery stores, you can only find like mainline Hot Wheels and mainline Matchbox. That's it, and some Maisto stuff, which I don't care about at all. So yeah, there you have it. Let's do a top 3. So definitely, I'm giving first place to this one. This thing is amazing. I really love it. I already knew that I'm gonna love it way back when I didn't get it twice. So yeah, this thing was gonna get first place. I'm gonna give second place to the 55 delivery. This thing is awesome. I already fell in love with it when I saw it on the not pegs, but hobby pegs. And the Lariat is going to get third place since it's a new model to me and I'm really liking it. So yeah, tell me which ones you liked the most. Maybe you liked one of the cars that are sitting back there, or not. Maybe you didn't like any of this. I don't know. Everyone has their own taste. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.